After the installation, go and open the code blocks. And select create a new project, or you can go to file, new, and choose project also. Choose console application and click go. Choose our language C, click next, give a project name. I will give demo, click next. Oh, here you can choose a folder that you would like to save your files, and click finish. Then go and find your project file that you have created, and choose the main file and click the right click button and select open in CP editor. Here, in case you don't want to write basic structures of the C, and there is another easy way to create and open the C project file. Go to file menu, new, and choose file. Choose C++ source and click go, and click next. Choose the language C and click next. File name with full path. Give a file name demo2.c with the extension and save, and click finish. But here, in case you have to write every letter by yourself, they don't give any structure of the C language. Now we are going to write our first program in C. Are you ready? Right. I will explain you each line one by one. Initially, we have to write hash include stdio.h. This is a directive to preprocessor. Directive means it is a language which specifies how a compiler should process its input. Lines starting with hash are always processed by the preprocessor before compiling the program. In the program, preprocessor includes the content of stdio.h. stdio.h means standard input and output, which is a header file, and it has information about library function calls like printf. Here I am going to write a comment. This symbol is called as /. Function main is the place where program execution begins. This is a single line comment. It begins with a // and continue for the rest of the line. Comments are used to improve program readability. Here I am going to write another comment type. Let's see. This is a multi-line comment, and everything between these two symbols, these two, taken as a comment. And we are in a most important place. Every C program has this main function. This is the place where program execution begins. int to left main indicates that the function returns an integer. I'm not going to explain data types. I think you have a kind of a knowledge about that. This void in parentheses shows that main doesn't receive any information. This left brace begins the body of every function. This is the place where we write our program function, and the function ends with corresponding right brace. This is called as a block. Now I'm going to write something on it. Printf first program in C. Okay. Now what? This is called as a statement. This statement tells the computer to perform an action. It tells the computer to print the following characters within the quotation mark, and every statement must end with semicolon. This tells to C that statement haven't anything further and terminates the execution. This is also included at the end of every main function. This is used to exit the main function, and the value 0 indicates a successful termination. Now we are done. Let's run the program. And this is how the output displays. This \/ takes a new line. Now you can see. And the printf can be written as puts. These are some plus things that I'm giving to you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel